Every day the question looms, is my job safe? Is your job safe? Because a new threat is here. It don't need coffee breaks, damn sure don't need lunch breaks. And it don't need a salary, and it never sleeps. The machines are learning. They're scanning billions of lines of code, crafting perfect phishing emails, and launching attacks faster than any human can react. The cybersecurity world is facing the Terminator. So let's settle the score right now. Is AI replacing cybersecurity? Well, the answer is it's kind of complicated. And it starts with the bad guys. So stick around, let the theme song play. It's your boy, Hold It Down, Jay, and we're gonna get to it. Peace. Welcome to Act 1. We're going to talk about the armed and dangerous, okay? We dealing with deep fake attack. Imagine your CEO hitting you up, asking you, let me get $10 million, and it's really not him. This is called phishing, deepfake, and social engineering. It's crazy. AI can clone your CEO's voice, attempting to be like him, and asking for money, financial gains for the actual adversary. AI is generating polymorphic malware that changes its code signature every single second. Your traditional antivirus wipes right past it. It's like a buffet style of zero-day attacks, non-stop. Another crazy part is automation. Attackers, they don't even need to code anymore. They can use that large language model that they find from their AI agent and literally use that to make it find vulnerabilities within your system and exploit the vulnerabilities and ask it to attack it for them. Automation's on steroids, baby. It turns a week of work into a 5-minute prompt. Crazy. If the cyber attack landscape is in the dark, how can us humans keep up? But hold the phone. If bad guys have AI, guess what? We do too. AI is just not the problem. It's the only way we can fight back at the speed. A human SOC analyst used to deal with thousands of alerts a day. Thanks to the help of AI and SOAR, it can suppress a lot of those alerts and filter out all those false positives that's at least by 99%. AI hands the analyst that one critical alert on a silver platter. Another benefit of AI is proactive threat hunting. AI can look for anomalies, not just signatures. And on top of that, they can literally see if somebody is mining Bitcoin at 3 o'clock in the morning. If a SOC analyst is somehow fatigued, that is the benefit of AI. It flags it as suspicious before the breach even happens. What about automated response? AI can detect a phishing email and it can scrub a user's inbox and move it to the actual trash bin so nobody will be able to click on that link. And it can wait for us SOC analysts to deeply see if it's malicious or not. Yes, false positives happen, but at least, So AI isn't replacing the job. It's just replacing the boring, soul-crushing part of the job. You see what I'm saying? But we still haven't answered the title question. The great news is, no, AI would not replace cybersecurity professionals. It will simply make us better. It shifts the job from button presser to strategist. AI can't understand why a CEO needs a file and starts to print it. A human provides the context. And when a new threat appears, a human must use intuition first and experience to design the defense. When a brand new zero-day attack drops, AI doesn't know how to solve that problem. It still takes human intuition. It still takes a security analyst, a threat hunter, and a whole lot of human ingenuity to design the first patch. Who decides what data AI can look at? Who signs off on compliance reports? Humans. We own the ethical boundaries, the legal requirements, and the final decision-making authority. Come on, man. The jobs of tomorrow is AI security architect, AI security engineer, AI security analyst, and prompt defense specialist. It's not human versus AI. It's human with AI. So forget the fear. AI ain't replacing cybersecurity, man. It's the start of the most exciting chapter yet. It's time to level up your skills from manual work to mastery. If you want to know exactly what skills you need to land a new integrated AI strategic job, let me know in the comments. And if you like this deep dive into the future of AI, hit that like button and subscribe for more. I'm Hold It Down Jay. Thank y'all for tuning in. Holla.